Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can color grade your videos in your phone using VN Video Editor. To get this cinematic orange tone in your videos, watch this video till the end. Open the description of this video, then click on this link. It will redirect you to this page. Now scroll down and add 0 in payment box and click on I want this. Scroll down and add your email box. And click on get. Then wait some seconds. You will see the download button. Click on it and download the LUT. Then open ES File Explorer and go to Downloads. You will see the zip file here. Long press it and click on 3 dots and select Extract to option and hit OK. After that it will ask you for password. So to get this 4-digit password, you have to watch full video without skipping it. Password will show as a card. So watch full video to get password. So after adding the 4-digit password, hit OK. You can see the cinematic orange folder. Open VN Video Editor and add your clips. Then click on Filters. Then click on plus icon. Then search cube in search bar. You will see the cinematic orange LUT cube file. Tap on it. Now our cinematic filter is added successfully. Click on it and you can see it's worked perfectly. You can adjust the intensity of LUT by dragging this pointer up and down. Click on adjust and adjust the brightness, contrast and other settings according to your clip. Let's try this LUT on some other clips. Every time you use the LUT, you have to do basic adjustments according to your clips. Subscribe my channel to get free cinematic LUTs for VN, Premiere Pro, Davinci Resolve and Final Cut Pro.